Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to use sniping tool on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all you need to go on your search bar and then you need to type snipping tools. Just type that and then you get this option, snipping tools. Just open it, and guys, after open it you can get this pop-up option. Okay, after that there have a option for mode. You can change the mode from here, windows sniping. For that, just click it. There you can see you take a screenshot. You can edit from here like that, so then cut it, so you can change again like that. You can change mode, lot of mode, again full screen mode, and I prepare you this is the best mode. You select it and then you can take a screenshot. How do you need your size? That's precise. You can take a screenshot. That's pretty much good. And now you can save it, and there have an option for save. Select it, and now you can change your folder like that. You can change your folder and then save it. That's it guys. In this way you can take a screenshot and you can use your sniping tools very easily, and that's the process for using sniping tools. I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.